Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
This is the closing bell on the Stock Movers Report. The companies making moves at the close of U.S. trading with Carol Massar, Tim Stenovec, Romaine Bostick, and Katie Greifeld.
I'm going to go to some of the individual gainers. Number one gainer in the S&P 500, in fact, up about 12% in today's session. We're talking about Norwegian Cruise. This one, after activist investor Elliott Investment Management said it built a more than 10% stake in Norwegian, also sent a letter and presentation to the company's board urging changes to unlock what it believes is more than 150% upside for shareholders. So, again, about 12% upside in today's session alone. Let's go to another one, Masimo. This one up 34%. No surprise. It was a target bought out by Danaher, agreeing to buy the medical equipment firm for $180 a share. That's a 40% premium over Friday's close, a total enterprise value of about $9.9 billion, allowing Danaher to gain a foothold in the medical supply business. So some M&A Tuesday action happening. And then Tripadvisor, let's go on over to there. Up about 9% in today's session. This is after Starboard Value delivered a letter to Tripadvisor's leadership highlighting prolonged underperformance and announced plans to nominate a majority slate of director candidates for the 2026 annual meeting. Keep in mind, Tripadvisor's down almost 30% year to date.
I do want to take a look at some of the stocks that were on the decline today. I want to start with the worst performer in the S&P 500. This is the owner of Napa Auto Parts, genuine parts company, GPC. Shares fell today by more than 14.5%. This after the company announced fourth quarter earnings that fell short. Net sales also came in below expectations. The company, though, is going to split into two public companies following a review of options for its automotive and industrial business lines. The split comes during a volatile stretch for the automotive business. It's grappling with higher prices, higher costs, economic uncertainty, and affordability challenges for consumers.
Do you know how to change your oil, Tim?
Sorry?
Do you know how to change the oil in your car?
I know how to take it somewhere to be changed. Romaine, here's the deal. Here's a real thing. Nobody changes their oil anymore because what do you do with the oil? That's the old oil.
You pour it down the sink.
No.
Yeah, sorry, Mr. Environmental.
I
don't want to burst your bubble, but
that's what people used to do.
Yeah.
And it wasn't good.
Okay.
But that's the real reason why it's so hard to change your oil.
Well, what do you do with the oil, Tim?
Yeah. You're supposed to take it somewhere to recycle it. And by the time you do that, you might as well just take your car somewhere to have the oil changed for you.
Like the sewer, you know?
Oh, okay. You guys are killing me. A couple more decliners here. Also a worse performer in the S&P 500 today was General Mills. The company lowered its fiscal 2026 outlook, citing a more challenging consumer environment. The company said weak consumer sentiment, heightened uncertainty, and significant volatility have weighed on category growth and affected consumer purchase platforms. This is the parent company of cereals such as Cheerios, down 7%. On the day today. And finally, Danaher. Carol had the news with this company agreeing to buy Masimo Corp in a deal with an enterprise value of about $9.9 billion. Masimo shares moved higher. Danaher fell today by just about 2.9%.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.